Hey, Dr. Jeff Fisher here. I'm the creator of Fisher Traction. Many of you have asked us about our shoulder wedges and how you use these. I'm going to show you a quick way to set it up and why it's so important after you're out of pain to start implementing the use of the shoulder wedge to help restore the normal curve in your neck. Okay? So, first of all, this is my office setup, but at home, you hook it to the doorknob, and then you stretch your unit out at its resting length, and then get about a fist distance in between for where you want to set your shoulder wedge. And make sure it's lined up perfectly straight right down the middle. And then all you do is when you lay down, you're putting your shoulders all the way at the end of the pillow so your head can go back unobstructed in extension all the way down and touch the ground if you're able to. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my traction, slide the buckle, and I'm ready to go. Now, as you can probably see from the side view, now my head and neck are in more extension where the natural curve in my neck is in its proper positioning. And this is what you want, because this is not only just for pain relief, but it's for prevention too. And you can still use the release strap, and while you release, you can even put your head further back into extension, just like this. Then let it go. So you're slowly working towards restoring that normal, natural curve in your neck, which this pillow enables you to do it because it lifts your shoulders up so your head can go further back unobstructed. Okay? And then the way out, just like that. And that's the benefit of using your shoulder wedge. So make sure you incorporate this into your daily Fisher Tractions and your 21-day challenge.